equation of the chord whose midpoint is given. That means from this point infinite chords can pass, but there will be only a unique chord whose midpoint is this. So in this, let us consider this chord is intersecting the parabola at A, x2, y2 and B, x3, y3. So point A lies on the curve. Y square is equal to 4ax. So first condition I am putting A lies A. That means x2, y2 on the curve. So y2 square is equal to 4ax2. Similarly, I will put the condition that second point also lies on the curve. Second condition is B, x3, y3 lies on the curve. So from here I will have y3 square is equal to 4ax3. So if I subtract both 1 minus 2, I will take 2 minus 1 from equation number 2, subtract equation number 1. So I will get y2 square minus y3 square is equal to, or 1 minus 2, y2 square minus y3 square is equal to 4a x2 minus x3. So again what I can write here, y2 minus y3 into y2 plus y3 is equal to 4a x2 minus x3, transferring. So y2 minus y3 upon x2 minus x3 is equal to 4a upon y2 plus y3. This y2 minus y3, if you observe here, this is nothing but slope of this line. This is a slope of AB line. So let us consider this as equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now, P is the midpoint. So I will have x1 plus x1 is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y1 is equal to y2 plus y3 upon 2. This I will put here. So slope of line AB can be written as 4a upon y2 plus y3 is equal to 2y1. That means 2a upon y1. This is the slope of this line AB. 2a upon y1. Now I know the slope, I know the point, so I can easily calculate the equation of line AB. So equation of line AB will be given by y minus y1 is equal to m 2a upon y1 into x minus x1. This equation, this is the equation of this line. So you can rewrite y1 minus y1 square is equal to 2ax minus 2ax1. T is equal to, you can express this in the form of t is equal to x1. You can transfer this term this side. y1 minus 2ax is equal to y1 square minus 2ax1, transferring this term this side. Now subtracting minus 2ax1 both side, minus 2ax1 minus 2ax1 minus 2ax1 minus 2ax1, to write the in standard form so that we can remember it. So y1 minus 2ax plus x1 is equal to y1 square minus 4ax1, which is of the form, this is t and this is s1. So you can easily remember this in the form of t is equal to s1. So equation of the chord whose midpoint is P x1, y1 is given by t is equal to s1. In short form, we can remember in this way. T is equal to s1.